Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for something to keep your face, your head cool with a nice cool breeze when it's hot outside or just because you want it, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, I don't think people have a full appreciation or even know this thing exists. This is a bladeless neck fan. Didn't even know what that was. Never even seen one of these before. And I said, well, send it over. But in no way whatsoever this being provided to me a fitness review because I'm just here to keep it real. What do you get? You get this that conveniently folds up into like a very small compact size. And then the only other thing you get is this, which is a USB to USB-C charger. Now, at first, I didn't even know how this thing worked. But I had to look at this and say, oh, there's some holes here all the way around. It has a flex right here. This middle section is flexible. And I'm like, how do you turn this thing on? How do you charge it? Well, it has a kind of a hidden integrated on and off. 1, 2, and 3. So there's 3 levels of air that's coming through here. How it works is really kind of ingenious. Inside here, this self-contained little slightly round area, I'm assuming there's some kind of turbine in there, something that's creating the airflow. And then it's pushed into the part that goes around here, and then it comes out of these vents. These are all little vents. It has a LED display right here that gives you either a L1, L2, or L3, and those are the different speed modes. What's really cool is that this will also still work while in charging mode. So if you have something that's like a power bank where you want to have that in your pocket and just have as extra time of this, you can definitely do that. It works in charging mode or straight off the battery. So that was definitely a nice, unexpected benefit. The design here is it's a hard plastic, sort of a matte finish. I would say it's a minimalistic design. Goes over like this. The vents are popped up. You do 1, 2, and 3, and it projects this this subtle, depending on the speed, flow, if you will, up your head here. It goes all the way around, and so you get your neck, your ears, your head, and your face. Very, very nice. Never worn one of these before, so I was like, oh, this could be something you could use at the beach, a music park, somewhere where you just want to have a little bit of extra from a noise standpoint because it's so close to your ears. Even in the high mode, very, very subtle. To charge it, it has a USB-C port right here. You plug it in, and then it gives you an indicator of how much up to 100 is as far as fully charged. The battery span on this will last hours, and how long those hours last really depends on if you're in level 1, 2, or 3 as far as the air output. Another benefit of this being bladeless with the fans being concealed in here is much less likely that if somebody's wearing this with long hair, that the hair is going to get intertwined with the actual blades. It is advised in the instructions to kind of pull the hair back, but this is where the air kind of goes and gets sucked in this very, very, very small crack here. And then I guess the blades that are, or whatever the mechanism is that's moving the air is in there. And so that's just an unexpected but yet benefit for those folks that are concerned about having long hair and having something like this around their neck. From a style standpoint, it almost looks like these are headphones that you have just around your neck. So it doesn't even look like it's a fan because a lot of headphones look like this. And I guess if you really wanted to have it tight, you can go right here and have it, and it would work. And so it's really kind of flowing over your head. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this. I would say very cool, very effective, bladeless neck fan. And we'll talk to you soon.